Prince Polymers is a well-known name based out of Kerala, sir. Could you tell us a little more about your beginnings, where it all started?
Prince Polymers, we are into actually plastic molding basically. We started our journey almost 26 years back with a distribution of molded furniture in Kerala. In Prince Polymers, we have many verticals like molded furniture, molded crates, paint pails, and other industrial moldings. We are one of the largest plastic processors in Kerala. We have got two units, one in Muachupura, another in Alway.
Okay. I'd like to talk a little more about your association with TCS. When was that point when you realized that you would require a system or maybe an ERP in place?
We are searching for an ERP software which will take care of all these things. We need to have integrated stocks.
Okay.
Then the ordering, people will have different ordering system. So compiling all these things is little difficult in Tally. So we are also searching for that.
All right.
But when we come to TCS actually, so it is the way that it is hosted in cloud, and irrespective of any area or point,
right,
we can directly access and integrate all that software into one system. And
right.
So that's what we thought it's a best thing for us.
After the implementation, right? It's been so many years now after TCS has implemented. What are the major changes that you have noticed in Prince Polymers? How do you feel that TCS iON has made Prince Polymers more productive than before?
With Tally, we could use only that financial report.
Okay.
Now, with the implementation of TCS iON, we could do much more in stock, MIS reports.
I see.
Production details.
Okay.
That's how our people are depending on the TCS iON for the entire business also now.
Okay.
They are happy now.
Okay. Are there any particular functionalities in TCS iON that you found very useful?
On a general purview, since it is hosted in cloud, we could go for n number of branches, irrespective of location or whatever facilities we need actually. Second thing is actually the data security what we used to have.
Companies always have a concern regarding the security of their data.
Yeah.
Right. I hope you appreciate that.
Yes, definitely yes.
Right, on the data security part. Before maybe an ERP was in place, right? This whole planning activity, roughly, how long would it take?
As soon as an order comes, actually, it is not been punched in anywhere in the system before this.
Right. Right.
So now it is being punched, and we could know what is the order and what is the projections what we are.
Would you say that that has helped you in planning your inventory, orders, purchase?
Yes. Definitely,
right?
Yes.
Okay. We are very curious to know what are your plans for the future.
Based on the experience in Prince Polymers with iON, we have implemented TCS iON to our other vertical, ice cream manufacturing.
I see.
That's how we are planning.
Great. I'd like to thank you so much for your time, both of you. It's been a pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.